In this video, we discussed the problems on joint product distribution. In the previous video, we know the definitions of E of x, E of y, covariance of xy. By using that, we solve the example. So let us take down example. The problems is given like this: the joint product distribution of two random variable x and y are given below. Next, we find or compute expectation of x, expectation of y, expectation of xy, and covariance of xy by using these values. So let us solve the solution. To solve expectation of x and expectation of y, we require the distribution of x and distribution y. So let us prepare the distribution of x and distribution of y. So x means the number of values of x column. So that x contains two values 1 and 5. X equal to x row contain 1 and 5. So f of x means adding this row we get f of xi, that is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 8. On adding we get 1 by 2. Then 5 means, that is f of xi means by 5 column contain, row contain 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, we get 1 by 2. So similarly we prepare the distribution of y. Y contain elements minus 4, 2, 7, minus 4, 2, 7. G of y means adding each row. We get this. By adding 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, we get 3 by 8. Similarly for the 2, adding these 2, we get 3 by 8. Similarly for 7, by adding this, we get 1 by 4. By using distribution of x and distribution of y, we find expectation of x and expectation of y. So expectation of x is given by mu x, or E of x is equal to summation of xi into f of xi. So that is 1 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, we get 3. Similarly, E of y or mu y, expectation of y equal to yj into g of yj, it is from the table. So that is table is minus 4 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into this plus 7 into 1 by 4. On simplification we get 1. So third one is expectation of xy. Expectation of xy from the table, from this we solve. So 1 into 4 minus 4 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 7 into 1 by 8. Similarly for this 5 into 4 into 1 by 4 plus 5 into 2 into 1 by 8 plus 5 into 7 into 1 by 8. After simplification we get 3 by 2. Then last is we find the covariance of xy. So covariance of xy means the formula is E of xy minus expectation of x, expectation of y. These value already was calculated. So expectation of xy is 3 by 2, E of x and E of y is 3. After simplification we get minus 3 by 2. So it is a solution. So let us solve one more example. So that is second example. A pair of coin is tossed 3 times. Let x denotes 0 or 1 according as a head or tail occur on the first toss, and let y denotes number of head which occur. Find the distribution of x and y, joint distribution of x and y, covariance of x and y. So in the question they have tossed the 3 times coins. If you toss the 3 times coins, the number of possibility will be 8. So these are the possibility. So h head, STH, so similarly TT. So these are the 8 possibility after tossing the 3 coin. In the question they have given that is head denotes the 0, tail denotes the 1. So x rows can be written only the first toss element. So first toss element is head is there 0, head is there 0, head is there 0, head is there 0, because head denotes 0. First toss we get tail, so that is 1, tail we get 1, tail we get 1, 1, because tail denotes 1. So y row contain number of heads in the possibility. So there are 3 heads are there, 3 head, 2 head, 2 head, 1 head, 2 head, 1 head, 1 head, there is no head. So x denotes the first toss values, y denotes the number of heads. So this is the, by using this we prepare the distribution of x and distribution of y. So xi means in the x there are 2 possibilities, either head or tail. Head denotes the 0, tail denotes the 1. So there are 2 possibilities, 0 and 1. F of x. So 0 means head. How many heads are in the x? So there are 4 heads out of 8. So 4 by 8. How many tails are there? There are 4 tails. That is noted 1. So 4 by 8. Similarly in the y column we get 0, 1, 2, 3. So these denotes the no head, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head. So how many heads are there? G of y we check. So 0 head means out of 8 possibility only 1 0 is there. So 1 by 8. So 1 means how many 1 head is there? So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 possibility out of 8. So 3 by 8. How many heads in the y row? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 2's are there. So 3 by 8 possibility. How many heads in the y rows? So only one possibility is there. So that is a 1 by 8. So this is the distribution of x, distribution of y. Let us find the joint distribution of x and y. So we prepare the table. So it is a y element, it is a x element. So x element only contain 2, that is 0 and 1. So y contain 0, 1, 2, 3. So let us prepare the joint distribution table by using this sample space. So x is 0, y is 0, check the possibility. So there is no x 0, y 0, so 0. X is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 0, only one possibility out of 8, so that is 1 by 8. X is 0, y is 2. So x is 0, y is 2, x is 0, y is 2. So there are two possibilities, 2 by 8. So x is 0, y is 3. Check the possibility in this. So there is only one possibility is there, 1 by 8. Similarly, x is 1, y is 0. X is 1, y is 0. So only one possibility is there, 1 by 8. X is 1, y is 1. So there are two possibilities out of 8, 2 by 8. X is 1, y is 2. So 1, 2. So there is only one possibility out of 8. So 1 by 8. X is 1, y is 3. So x is 1 is there, but there is no 3 in the y. So there is no possibility. It will be 0. So it is a joint distribution table. So next find the expectation of x and expectation of y. That is mu x or e of x is given by xi into f of xi. It can be calculated by using this. So 0 into 4 by 8 plus 1 into 4 by 8, we get 1 by 2. Similarly, expectation of y from the table, we get 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8. After simplification, we get 3 by 2. Then e of xy, it is from the table. So this is table. Multiply this 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 into 1 by 8 plus 0 into 2 into 2 by 8 plus 0 into 3 into 1 by 8. Similarly for this, after simplification, we get 1 by 2. So last is we find the covariance of xy. Covariance of xy is defined as e of xy minus e of x, e of y, or mu x, mu y. So these two values are calculated previous. So e of xy is 1 by 2 minus mu x, mu y already calculated, that is 3 by 4. After simplification, we get minus 3 by 4. So it is an example. So in the next class, we discuss the sampling theory and sampling distribution. So thank you.